ninth chapter probability. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2A part 70. Last part completed impounded 7 marks problem and 4 marks problem also be completed by using conditional probability definition and dependent and independent events definition. Today class explained some more problems by using complementary events model problems. What is that problem? The probability that Australia wins a match against India. The probability that Australia wins a match against India in a cricket game is given by 1/3. Australia wins a match against India in a cricket game is given, that is probability is 1/3. If India and Australia play 3 matches, if India and Australia both teams are played 3 matches, what is the probability that first one, Australia will lose all 3 matches. Australia will lose all 3 matches. Second one, Australia will win at least 1 match. Australia will win at least 1 match. This is very important. Sometimes this problem coming to 7 marks. Maximum this problem coming to the 4 marks in IP examination. First of all, what is the given that? Given that the probability, first of all we have to take, let A be the event, Australia wins a match. Australia wins a match against India in a cricket game. Then the probability of Australia wins a match against India is 1/3 is given. That's why you can write P of A value is 1/3. After that, suppose the probability of Australia lose a match against India is P of A complement. Correct or not, students? Here Australia wins the match against India is the event A, that is probability is P of A. But here Australia lose nothing but India wins. Australia lose nothing but India wins. India wins nothing but, that is complementary event. That's why we can write P of A complement. P of A complement equal to 1 minus P of A. You can write 1 minus P of A value 1/3. You have to take LCM. 3 minus 3 equal to 2/3. This 2/3 probability is the Australia lose the match against India or India wins the match against Australia. That is your wish. Next, what is the first problem? Australia will lose all 3 matches. Australia will lose all 3 matches. Nothing but India will all 3 matches. India win 1 match. India win. This what is the complementary? What is the probability? India win the match. What is the probability? P of A complement. This first match India wins, P of A complement. Second match also be India wins, that is also P of A complement. Third match also be India wins, that is also be P of A complement. Nothing but here Australia lose the match, P of A complement. Here also be Australia lose. Here also be Australia. These three matches lose. That is the probability is P of A complement whole cube. This is what? This is what P of A complement whole cube. That's why you can write 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 by 3 whole cube nothing but 2 by 3 cube. You get 2 cube value. 2 into 2 into 2. You get 8. 3 cube value is 27. This is the first problem. Next, second problem is what? Australia will win at least one match. Australia will win at least one match. At least one match is equal to 1 minus Australia lose. Australia lose all 3 matches. Understood or not? Here the probability of Australia will win at least one match is Australia will at least one match nothing but will one match or 2 matches or 3 matches. That probability equal to total probability. You can subtract it. India will win the matches. Australia will lose 3 matches. That's why you can write 1 minus P of A complement whole cube. You can write this one is what? 1 minus P of A complement whole cube nothing but 8 by 27. You can take LCM 27. 27 minus 8. You can write 19 by 27. This is the probability of Australia will win at least one match. Probability is 19 by 27. Australia will lose all matches. Probability is 8 by 27. In this way, you can do that. This model problems. Next problem is for any two events A comma B. Here A comma B are any two events. Show that P of A intersection B minus P of A into P of B that is equal to P of A complement into P of B minus P of A complement intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B complement minus P of A intersection B complement. First of all, you can draw the Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram, this is the Venn diagram. This one is A, this one is B, A, B. This one is A intersection B. This one is what here? B minus A. Nothing but you can write B intersection A complement. This one you can write A minus B or A intersection B complement. This values are you know that here A complement intersection B. Here this can be as A complement intersection B or not. This B set to I can write B is equal to A intersection B union A complement intersection B. Correct or not, students? Correct or not? This is a very important key point. B set observe that A intersection B and B intersection A complement or A complement intersection B. This is a common point is B set. Here A intersection B and A complement intersection B both are mutually exclusive events. These two having no common elements. That's why those events are called mutually exclusive. That's why you can write P of B, probability of P of B equal to P of A intersection B union A complement intersection B. This can be, you can write P of B equal to P of A intersection B union. You can write by the union axioms plus P of A complement intersection B. You can write here P of A complement intersection B value. P of A complement intersection B equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. This is the first point. I will take first of all P of A complement into P of B minus P of A complement intersection B. P of A complement intersection B by the figure you can write P of B minus. Here P of B complement nothing but you can write 1 minus P of A. We know that complement P of A plus P of A complement equal to 1. Then P of A complement equal to 1 minus P of A into P of B minus P of A complement intersection B by the figure you can write P of B minus P of A intersection B. After that 1 into P of B you can write P of B minus P of A into P of B, you can write P of A into P of B minus P of B minus into minus plus P of A intersection B. Here P of B plus P of B minus P of B get cancelled. Remaining what here? P of A intersection B minus P of A into P of B. This is the value of this value. This value is what here? P of A complement into P of B minus P of A complement intersection B. Value is P of A intersection B minus P of A into P of B. First one is completed. Next we have to take this value. This value P of A into P of B complement minus P of A intersection B complement. Here first you can find the figure A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement nothing but this is the A intersection B complement. This total set A. You can write set A is equal to A intersection B union A intersection B complement. Correct or not? This is set A. This set A, this and this union, this two union combination is equal to set A. Here A intersection B complement both are mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events, that's why no common element of these two. That's why you can write by the union as mass P of A intersection B union A intersection B complement. P of A equal to by the union as mass union you can write positive. P of A intersection B plus P of A intersection B complement. You can find P of A intersection B complement equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. This is a very important point. You can write in this place P of A. You can write similar P of A. P of B complement nothing but 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B. After that minus this value is what here? P of A minus of P of A intersection B. After that you can multiply this one. P of A into 1 you can write P of A. P of A into P of A you can write P of A into P of A minus P of A minus into minus plus P of A intersection B. Here minus P of A plus P of A get cancelled. Remaining what you can write P of A intersection B minus P of A into P of B. This is which value? This is value of P of A into P of B complement minus P of A intersection B complement. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 you get what? In equation 1 and 2 this two term LHS part is equal. P of A intersection B minus P of A into P of B equal to RHS part P of A complement into P of B minus P of A complement intersection B, that is equal to this is what P of A into P of B complement minus P of A intersection B complement. This is the given answer. Correct or not, guys? In this problem you can do that perfectly. First this Venn diagram you can understood perfectly, you get easily solving this total problem.